I'm Adam Sandoval.
Looks like there's a bunch of stubborn Americans who believe the exact same thing as me. You create a bond when you spend that much time with people. And just shake my hand and say, you know what? We support our American veterans and the Harley Davidson community.
My son, Robert Matthew McDowell, killed April 1st, 2007. And I donated my son. I've donated a car, and now I'm getting ready to donate some money to the Wounded Warrior Project.
This is what it's all about. This is why we ride. Man, just give me a hug, brother. It means the world to me, man.
Thank you, Adam.
I'm so sorry. Let's share some miles, huh? Come on up here. I got $250 for you. All right, y'all, we're gonna ride to the museum and see just how much money we raised for the Wounded Warrior Project.
I'm gonna go ahead and write in here. $600.
It's crazy the relationships you form out here. You know, I was thinking about it. It's like, you know, I can't think of another time that I spent this much time with people day in and day out. I want to go for a good ride and connect with other riders, and now we gotta go.